from here?
Yes. Somebody's feeding him.
Dad must have come up on the other side.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I think there's more than one in there hatched.
I can only see one from here. Well, maybe two.
I'm thinking it's two. But it's hard to say. We've got kids.
So it looks like there's hatchlings. Can't get any closer, I don't think. I think Dad's on the nest right now. Oh boy, that's a great picture. The wind came up and showed the whole nest, but you couldn't see the baby. Okay, I think Dad just flew off. Okay, we're gonna wait for Mama. Okay, so you're seeing the beak of a hatchling. I think it's trying to call Mom back. It's very quiet. We're waiting for Mom.
She's up in the plum tree. She had something in her mouth.
I'm only seeing one. Well, yeah, I think I'm only seeing one little beak.
Fortunately for her, she doesn't lay all five at once.
Mm-hmm. No kidding. Okay, I'm gonna pause it until Mom comes back. Well, there you can kind of see the baby again. I think there's only one in there. I can't be for sure though.
Well, right now, but...
Yeah. Oh, what? Yeah, one hatched right now. We have a robin on the ground looking for worms. I'm hoping that they'll come up to the nest here real soon.
And then we got the usual suspects walking around eating
The gweeds.
The gweeds.
And the wind just came up and blurred my nest. Dang it.
There, you can hear the gweeds. Oh, getting testicle.
Oh boy, yeah.
He wasn't messing with your old lady. He was already there eating seed.
This baby bird is just going nuts.
Hungry.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll pause again and wait for Mom. Dang it. Oh, there's the baby again. You see the beak? Okay, Mama just flew into the tree. She'll be, there she is. There, she's feeding him. There might be two.
I think there's two, but I'm not sure.
I can't tell. We'll tell for sure. We'll get a camera in there tomorrow. Alright, I'm sorry for the picture. It's bad. But at least you got a little shot of Mama feeding. Oh, there, she's feeding him again. There's that darn leaf is in the way, or we'd see it all. But tomorrow we'll find out exactly how many have hatched and what we have left. And she just sat on them. Good Mama. Aw.
No, there's some mamas I wouldn't want sitting